In the last video, we looked at mathematical equivalences, and we finished up by looking at identities. This is a statement that the two sides, or more, are always equal, no matter what the values of the variables we had. In this video, we're going to be looking at proving some identities. So our first example is 6 lots of 2x plus 1 minus 4 lots of x plus 5, and we're saying this is always equal 8x minus 14. Now what we want to do is we want to manipulate one of the sides. So this example, we're going to manipulate the left-hand side and somehow get it to being the right-hand side. So the left-hand side, 6 lots of 2x plus 1 minus 4x plus 5. And so we're going to manipulate this to try and get it to the right-hand side. So our first step is going to be expanding our brackets. 6 lots of 2x is 12x. 6 lots of plus 1 is plus 6. Minus 4 lots of 4x. Sorry, minus 4 lots of x is minus 4x. And minus 4 lots of 5 is minus 20. Now we're going to simplify it. Collect the like terms. So we've got a 12x and a minus 4x. So that'd be 8x. Plus 6 and a minus 20. So that is minus 14. This is equal to the right-hand side. So we have shown that these two things are always equal. In our next example, we're going to use an identity to work out some missing values. So, find A, B, and C that make the identity true. So our identity is going to be x lots of 3x plus 2, subtract x plus 4, x minus 4. And this is going to be always equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So we're somehow showing this left-hand side is a quadratic. This is being our standard form for a quadratic. So again, we take one of the sides. So in this case, we're going to take the left-hand side and we're going to simplify it. So we're going to start off by expanding the brackets. So x multiplied by 3x is 3x squared. X multiplied by 2 is 2x. Now, what we notice about this term here is, in actual fact, it's a difference of 2 squares. So if we expand it, I'm going to leave it in brackets for the moment. X times x is x squared. X times minus 4x, sorry, minus 4 is minus 4x. 4 times x is 4x. And 4 times minus 4 is minus 16. We call it a difference of 2 squares because the middle terms here cancel, which leaves us with x squared and minus 16, which are both 2 squares. So 3x squared plus 2x, subtract x squared, subtract minus 16, so a negative and a negative is a positive. And now we can simplify. 3x squared minus x squared, 2x squared plus 2x plus 16. So our A, if we equate these, has to be 2. Our B also has to be 2. And our C is going to be 16. So those are the values for which the identity is true.